So we're up at Loxley Viewpoint, and I can't decide whether I prefer that view of Stratford or this view, but I think I prefer this view. What a stunning machine. And yeah, over there is Stratford upon Avon. But just check out this charger. We're here at Caffeine Machine as a last minute arrangement. We've come with the charger, and just on the TP here we've got the new McLaren Artura, and I didn't actually know until I saw the sticker. It's actually a V6, it's no longer a V8. I'm also wearing my birthday present from my friend Michael. He got the Legion of Demons t-shirt. On the back he got the Demon 170 and the Demon logo. Very cool, big thank you to Michael for that. And if you haven't already seen it, if you go back on the channel, you'll see a video of us at Santa Pod flying down the drag strip at 140 miles an hour. Go back and watch it, I do highly recommend it. Sensational day and a really great guy. The Audi R8 rolling in, V8 on BBS, very cool. We've also got the Micra with the solar panel on the roof, and we've got the Alpha next to the GT3, next to the black Chaser on the end. Tourer V-Spec Chaser, same as Adam C's. We've got the GT3, we've also got the Alpha. Don't know who it belongs to, but the door's been open for some time. Just look how beautiful that sunset is. We're here at Loxley Point, just down the road from Caffeine Machine. But yeah, just a very, very short video. What a great evening we've had. We've had a great day of sunshine. The weekend's been really good, and next week should just be the same. So can't wait to see what next week brings. We are going to be out filming with different American cars, so please stay tuned for that. And if you haven't seen my video from yesterday at the Mustang meet for the 60th anniversary, go check that out. Over 400 Mustangs in attendance. But yeah, I think that's going to wrap up today's video, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video.